meghalayapost.news.
UMP Berim Kerja Sabang Dr. W.R Kharlukhi minta kesengi umsyam lekaran AI basa ka ipan kesin jam ka ba unsyam hadian ka samoy trikam jongu hadian ba ka samoy trikam jongu kum UMP Kerja Sabha kan sakut no hak arpoi tarik ujaliu baru baladap pen benam bak election jong ke election MP Kerja Sabha kan salong no hak kat pra tarik ujaliu ha ka jela ya kani lepan pa Kyntait Thoh khubor daw Dr. W.R Kharlukhi kum UMP Kerja Sabha habuan man pli pat ba minta kesengi ya ka maulan dep community bioflock fish farming unit ha ka snong maulandam wala umpat penpa ya karai ka baun shim hadian bolosong that kum MP Kerja Sabha Henry Dr. W.R Kharlukhi lo ong baun la ban Poi Biang Sha Kam Thoh Kot ne kum kita ki researcher ha ka Kam Thoh Kot ha ka baula penpa ru baun sa tho shop pangata ka electoral behavior of people ka concept of democracy ban baladet tho teng ru ya paper ka badai shapanga concept of democracy of Kyntait hills bat ka bau kamban kya ya ka Kyntait hills Habakuran halor kita bentau Dr. Kharlukhi ukuran Jepang kata kerukum tap vote shaban poi ke great civilization but day house nam karkandais pa anyo puar kaladon ke seminar ba way researcher ulapan pa Jepang kani kerukum tap vote but shus new bok no bah kita ki por ki research ngi kimpat tip e Jepang kani kerukum tap vote ka baladon pa Kyntait hills.
Let's move, you give me time, maybe 1-2 months namar kandang put ke time jangan mentah. Then I'll call the press. Yeah, I'll start writing actually. Kejing perkat jonga kelong bangan persang bang sedang no ban again marga nak permi to kot. I have so many things to kawai ngakwa ban tho on the electoral behavior of the people, especially in area banga involved nga. There are so many you can electorate behave way to way so many things. Tho kata kawai kot. Kawai ngamul tho ikani ka the concept of democracy kabang of course ngai nomor mga concentrate research on Kyntait hills it's the same kaba even in Kyntait hills kabang hagawin ni paper kabang the concept of Kyntait democracy long but the concept of democracy is not only a Greek concept it is our concept but hagawin ni seminar in 1972 a similar hagawin ni scholar ulap nomor with carbon dating and all this ulap ba Kyntait kingdom is way back to 5th century BC. Ladakum kita ki gamot ko long ba 5th century BC even Greek civilization also might be at that time tanray ngi long jangay na kamo Europe kani katay temdam batip kan hanray the study ba the concept of democracy ni don laga jong concept but not only kani ka to come have vote nay we have our own concept of voting ladok to por ni la have vote
meghalayapost.news.